Okay, I'm back again, and I have tried to repair the broken path with some SMD solder paste, which I can solder with around 150 degrees, 56 degrees. And apparently I have connected the path. And as you can see on the screen, I know it's not pretty, I know, but if this works, then that's pretty good to me. That is enough for me. I know it looks horrible, but the two paths is connected now, as you can see. But I am not. I don't think I will try to fix the other path yet. I have to connect the battery to see if this solves the problem, and then maybe I will try to fix the other path. As you can see, it looks kind of maybe broken. I don't know. Well, I will investigate that later. So this is all for now.